Alrighty guys, welcome back. You've already seen this pile of crap Ford dirt track Mustang that Chris Birdsong stuck with us. You know what, there's a big old craze on the old YouTube about doing first starts and first drives and stuff, and I think this thing's pretty damn close to running. What do you say, Dad?
I think we can probably get her.
I think so. I think a little bit of fresh gas, a little battery. Of course, it is a Ford, so we might have some issues, but you know what, I think we can get her going. You want to give it a shot, Dad?
You getting in it?
Sure. Here we go, Chris. This is just for you because I know I can already hear you. There's no way I'm getting my big ass in here. Oh God.
That's crazy. That's just crazy.
Oh God. You gotta be a midget.
I'll bring you a blanket because I don't think you're getting back out.
I don't think I'm getting back out either. Oh God.
You got your
I made it. Woo. Wow. This seat's little. All right, we got a pedal. It's froze. We got nothing there. All right, which one's park? No. That must be park. You know, we're gonna go for that. All right. I think that used to be a starter button, so I bet you if we just ground this little green wire right here, speaker wire, it ought to turn off. What do you say, Dad?
It might. You think it's got enough compression to shake the camera off?
It might. This thing seems pretty wild. All right, I'll let you know when I'm getting ready to do this. You get the battery hooked up, put some gas in her.
All right, I got the hot wire.
All right, are you ready?
Yeah, whenever you're ready.
All right, touch in. Nothing?
Nothing yet.
Okay, I'm holding. Nothing?
Nothing yet.
Let me give her some gas. Okay. The pedal's a little froze up.
All right, you gonna try it again?
Yeah. There you go! It's running! It's running! Yeah!
Sounds like a lawnmower.
It sounds like a Ford to me.
Runs like a sewing machine.
Like a sewing machine. How the hell am I getting out of here?
That's all you. I got my auto crane. We can rip the top off.
I think it's gonna be the only way I'm getting out. Just don't abandon me out here, Dad.
We could put a sunroof in it with my torque.
But I'm in here.
You'd have to get off the side.
I don't think I want to be in here with flying sparks and molten metal. Oh, well, this sucks.
Well,
You're not gonna leave me, Dad, really?
I guess we'll see you later.
Whoa, why are you backing away? You're not gonna leave me in here.
Do you need a blanket?
Maybe it's gonna get cold, but don't seriously leave me out here. What the fuck? I'm in a Ford.
Bye-bye.
Whoa, no. I can't get out, I'm too fat. Oh God.
Don't scratch yourself. And don't scratch the paint.
Don't scratch the paint, are you serious? I might just have to barrel roll out of here.
How bad you want to be a race car driver now?
Not dirt track. God, this is why all the dirt track racers are skinny and little, like Jimmy. Getting in's not so bad. I might be stuck. Ed?
Huh.
It was nice knowing you.
Looked like you had it going.
There we go. Seat's out of the way now. At least the floors are solid. All right. Here we go. Now we're cooking.
Well, you almost got it.
Freedom. At least it's low to the ground.
Whoa. You got shit all over your back, all over your hat.
Why I'm wearing a hat. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Chris, your car sucks.
Bye-bye.